Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're talking about Visible Wireless. You guys know I love to give you guys information on different prepaid brands, not just Boost Mobile or Cricket or Metro. So yeah, let's go ahead and check this deal out. I think it's a good deal for anybody that wants to go ahead and try this service out. Of course, if you guys don't know who Visible Wireless is, they are a Verizon prepaid owned, basically prepaid carrier. In other words, so kind of like how Cricket is to AT&T, and how I guess Boost Mobile was to Sprint, but now I guess it's Dish Network, you know. So check this promotion out, guys. It's pretty cool. $3 for your first month of Visible phone service. Wow. $3. I think that's the craziest one I've seen so far. Yeah, there's some free trials and stuff like that, but $3 and you get to try out Verizon's speeds. Now I have made some videos on Visible Wireless, and if you stay tuned till the end of this video, I'll explain my thoughts on Visible Wireless and what I think about them. But let's go ahead and read more information. It says, seriously, try 1 month of unlimited data. There's a little star next to it, so we'll see what that means. So on Verizon's 4G LTE network for just $3 a month, guys. $3 a month, you get Verizon's network. Now everybody knows Verizon's like the most expensive carrier out there. Why? I mean, they have the best coverage and everything, but they are crazy expensive, man. At least if you go on postpaid. Now, if you do prepaid or something like Visible, then it's pretty cheap. Visible does offer plans for $40 a month for unlimited data, which is great. Like I said, stick with me till the end of the video, and now I'll tell you why. It says network for just $3. No annual contracts or hidden fees. Like I said, it's a prepaid carrier, guys. You're not signing a contract or anything like that, which is great. Just $40 a month after. So like I said, it's not too bad. It's not like it's going to be $60 or $100 a month. It's only $40 a month afterwards. But don't wait. Offer ends, wow, December 21st, guys. So you still have about, well, I'd say probably about 10 days, give or take, from the making of this video. So you have a little bit over a week to take advantage of this promo, guys. Now what's cool about this is you can use your own phone. You don't have to purchase a phone with this offer. So you can either bring your own phone if you have an unlocked phone, or a phone that's compatible with Visible Wireless, mainly like I said, unlocked, or a Verizon phone that'll work with them, then you can do it. You can also purchase a phone with Visible Wireless, but we'll look at that in just a little bit. So here's some more information. It says $3, no catch. Wow. So I really do like Visible Wireless, and like how they they do everything. So it says, money, what's the catch? It says you got to use the promo code TRY43 at checkout, costs $4 a month. So remember, promo code is TRY43. Now another cool thing, if you guys had something, let's say like Honey, it would have found you that promo code. So let's get into it, guys. So this channel's supporter is Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension that finds promo codes like this on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Visible Wireless, Boost Mobile, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic, and when you download that using the link in the description below, and you make your first purchase and you save some money, I get a little bit of kickback. So why not? So it says $3, no catch. It says what you see is what you get. Wow, bold. And what you get is your first month of phone service for $3. Wow. Love Visible and want to stay? If you like it, you can stay. Just pay $40 after that a month for unlimited data. It says use code TRY43, so that is TRYFOR, the number 3, at checkout before December 21st. So this is pretty smart if you think about it, for Visible Wireless to get a lot of customers. I mean, a lot of carriers will offer you unlimited data, or they'll offer you basically a free phone. That's the main thing. Phones, hey, switch over to us and we'll give you a free phone. That's a big lure. So think about, these companies are fishing. You guys, the customers or the consumers, are the fish, and the bait is these kind of promotions. So Visible Wireless, their bait is $3 a month for unlimited Verizon service. Verizon might be buy one get one. Boost Mobile might be get a iPhone SE for $50. You know what I mean. So it's up to you to buy it, and then most people, like I said, if you like it, you'll most likely stick around and start paying $40 a month every month, just because you're like, wow, I get to use Verizon's prepaid service, for only $3 a month. After that, it's only $40 a month, which is great. So let's keep going. Like I said, I'll get to my portion of the video in just a little bit that I'll talk to you of what I think about Visible Wireless and my thoughts on it. It says we've got a lot to offer. It says fast speeds, big network. It says you'll get unlimited data. Like I said, little star right there. Messaging in minutes on Verizon's 4G LTE network without annoying speed caps. View our map to see the coverage in your area. Remember, this is Verizon. They're going to basically cover what, like 95% of the whole United States or whatever it is. They'll probably say 99%, but you know, there are some little dead spots here and there. But of course, they are the best. It says, skip the hassle while we aren't into annual contracts, hidden fees, phone stores, or phone people or salespeople. We're really into simplifying your phone service. That's one cool thing that I like about Visible Wireless. They're all online, guys. Same thing like Mint Mobile and everything. They're not spending money on a lot of employees or a brick and mortar store, and they have to worry about rent and, you know, covering light bills and this and that. They're all doing it online. You sign up, they'll send you a SIM card, and boom, set it up. I've actually tried it. I still use Visible Wireless for one of my phones. And like I said, it's not half bad, but like I said, I'll get to the part of the video where I talk about it. And then from here it says, ready to save, let's do this. I really do like how they set up the website. Shop a new phone or bring your own phone. And then of course, here's some information that the lawyers said. So it says, new members may use eligible promo code TRY43 for applicable discount for the first month of Visible service. Promo code is for one-time use only, and only one code may be applied per customer and or per account. Offer ends at 11:59 p.m. Pacific time on December 21st, 2020. Promo code is not redeemable for cash and has no cash value. So that's still saying like, yo, I'm trying to sell you this code, give you some money. Nah, it's code, man. It's a discount code. Promo codes may not be combined with any other sale, promotion, discounts, codes, coupon, and other offers. I mean, you're getting $37 off. So it says, except when explicitly provided through eligible sales ambassador link, promo codes are non-transferable, void where prohibited, taxes and otherwise restriction. Promo codes are limited time offer. Invisible reserves the right to change or terminate any promo code at any time. So wow. So maybe if they sell way too many, they're like, nah, let's cut it off. We're losing too much money. I don't know. That's just my thought. With or without notice, subject to Visible customer agreement. It says if Visible is in its sole description, determines that a member has engaged in abuse, misuse, or gaming in connection with a promo code offer in any other way, or that a member intends to do so, Visible reserves the right to void the promo code. Wow. So basically, if they catch you doing some sketchy stuff, man, they're going to void your code and probably going to charge you. I don't know how that's going to work, but just, you know. And here's the big thing about, well, let's look at what phones they have, and then we'll get to this part. So shop new phones. So here's all the phones they offer. You can bring your own. They do monthly payments on phones as well. Got 0% APR, so which is great. You can get a mini, you can get the 12s, all that good stuff. Galaxies. Wow, OnePlus 8. Wow, the Moto Edge. Touche. SEs. So like I said, just quick thing. I'm not gonna spend too much time wasting you guys' time, but here are some of the phones you guys can get. So pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and talk about what I think. This is a big thing you guys want to look at. Yes, it's $40 unlimited. Like I said, I must warn you, it is $40 unlimited, and then from there, this is the big thing. In times of traffic, your data may be temporarily slowed than other traffic. So basically you are on the bottom pole of Verizon's speed. Yeah, you're getting the coverage for calls and everything, but their speeds, guys, in times of congestion, so like here where I live, or kind of like in the country, so a lot of people use Verizon. What that means is it gets very congestion, so I can barely even use Verizon's data in my house. Like, I think I have Wi-Fi, versus if I have a postpaid Verizon account, of course they get priority over everybody. So think about this. This is a good way that I tell people. Think about it like you guys go to Disneyland, Disney World, right? You guys have the slow pass or the regular ticket, but then Verizon postpaid, they have the fast pass. So while you're waiting in line to get on the ride, over here postpaid Verizon gets a fast pass and their speeds are a lot faster. good way to kind of tell you guys. So, like I said, I barely ever see it go over 1 megabit per second here in my house. Now, big disclaimer: this depends where you live. I know some people like Aloha Android or Tito Escobar. Shout out to that guy. I like that guy. He uses visible wireless, and he gets sometimes amazing speeds, maybe 100 down or maybe 10. It all just depends. Like I said, here in my house, I don't even get 1 megabit per second, but if I go 20 minutes into town, I might get 80 to 50 to 100. It just, like I said, just depends. So just be careful with that. But if you don't mind times of congestion that your speeds are going to be slow, and you want a great Verizon's coverage, and for only $4 a month, try out Visible, guys. Like I said, hey, try it out. It's only $3 a month, man. You're not losing much, especially if you have your own phone. Let's go ahead and order a SIM, pop it in there. $3 a month, you don't lose much, honestly. So, and who knows, you might end up liking it. Like I said, I like Visible Wireless for what they offer. Just here where I live, it's decent. It's not the best, but like I said, it's good until the end of December, guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think, and yeah, let me know which are you thinking about getting this, and yeah, ask me any questions, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you so much.